Welcome back to Car Beast. Today, we're diving into one of India's most trusted, rugged, and no-nonsense SUVs, the Mahindra Bolero. Known for its durability, low maintenance, and go-anywhere capability, the Bolero has been the backbone of rural and semi-urban India for decades. But in 2024, does it still hold up against modern SUVs like the Tata Punch, Maruti Brezza, or even its sibling, the Bolero Neo? Stick around as we break down everything you need to know. And if you love detailed car reviews, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. The Mahindra Bolero has retained its old-school SUV charm while receiving minor design upgrades over the years. It features a boxy, tough-looking design, signature Mahindra front grille, halogen headlamps, and sturdy bumpers. The high ground clearance of 180mm, large 15-inch steel wheels, and rugged body-on-frame chassis make it one of the toughest SUVs built for rough roads and challenging terrains. Under the hood, the Bolero is powered by a 1.5L mHawk 75 diesel engine, producing 75 horsepower and 210 Nm of torque. It is paired with a 5-speed manual transmission and offers a rear-wheel drive (RWD) layout. While it may not be the most powerful SUV, its torquey engine, high reliability, and fuel efficiency of around 16 to 18 km/h make it a perfect workhorse for long-distance travel and rough roads. Step inside, and the Bolero remains basic but highly practical. It features a simple yet durable dashboard, a digital instrument cluster, manual AC, power windows, and a basic 2-in music system with Bluetooth connectivity. The seating is spacious and designed for durability, making it ideal for commercial use, government fleets, and families looking for a no-nonsense SUV. The 7-seater configuration adds to its practicality, ensuring plenty of room for passengers. When it comes to safety, Mahindra has equipped the Bolero with essential features, including dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and a high-strength body structure. While it may not have modern safety tech like ADAS, its rugged build and simple mechanicals make it a reliable and easy-to-maintain SUV, perfect for Indian road conditions. Driving the Bolero feels solid and confident, thanks to its ladder frame chassis, rear-wheel drive, and soft suspension setup, which absorbs bad roads with ease. While it may not be as refined as newer monocoque SUVs, its simple mechanics, low maintenance costs, and legendary reliability make it a favorite among buyers who need a dependable SUV for tough conditions. So, is the Mahindra Bolero still a good buy in 2024? If you're looking for a rugged, low-maintenance, highly durable SUV that can handle the toughest roads without breaking a sweat, the Bolero remains unmatched. While it may lack modern features and a powerful engine, its simplicity, fuel efficiency, and affordability make it a practical choice. If you want a more urban-friendly version, the Bolero Neo offers a similar rugged appeal with more comfort. What do you think about the Mahindra Bolero? Would you pick it over newer compact SUVs like the Maruti Brezza or Tata Punch? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed today's review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Car Beast for more in-depth car breakdowns. Until next time, drive safe and stay tuned for more exciting content.